Hi, today in front of me MOTOROLA Moto G13 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or just remove some of them or to change their positions, we should click to this edit icon, and just after that we can add here some options from this down section or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons on the panel. So just to add some options to the panel, we should hold the option and drag it to the up section by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to remove some of the options from the home screen, from the panel, by the same way we should hold the icon and drag it just to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to save the changes, we should click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.